Okay, so after taking photos and uploading them to the market, so this is how I sell them. So this is the Facebook listing of the same laptop that I've just fixed up, and you can see the description. I offer people to trade in or make an offer, quite flexible. Delivery options all around Australia, pay by phone or banking, contact various channels, and full details about the computer, just the key essentials like storage, dedicated GPU, battery condition, screen size, etc. You could write more things like, it has fingerprint reader, backlight keyboard, blah blah blah, but in these markets where you sell, people really don't care. So they really don't read any of this. And also if they got a laptop, usually the way I see this, if someone's looking to buy a laptop, is because their old one is broken, or maybe they need a second one, or they may have another one that's faulty, they don't want to repair, etc. They may contact. And I put a lot of keyword of brands, so they may search on the market. I'll still come up on the list. And here is the photos. So I take exact same photos of every computer. So front, keyboard, screenshot of the SSD storage and Windows activation details, and side photos, and then the bottom and the top. Pretty much 360 photos. And also in the photos I also advertise the business. And this is the Facebook market, and same exact thing on the Gumtree. We have Gumtree here. You may have other marketplace, and it's pretty much exactly the same, no change. So it's consistent throughout on both sites. Some people don't like Facebook, they're not on it, but they're on Gumtree, which is more anonymous. You don't need an account to look up, and pretty much the same photos, just different ordering, but you get the idea. Same as well. Yeah, so that's about it. And I market 450. You paid 150, 160. Sometimes we put a bargain amount in there if they want to reduce by 50 or 80 bucks. We say yeah, no problem. That's about it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.